Before starting the project, users first need to add their own API key inside the config.py file. The API key isn't compulsory, but without it, the AI-powered features would not work. Let me paste my API key here, real quick. After adding the API key, we can now start the main application. Here I'm running the project.py file, which acts as the main integration layer of the entire application. This is the starting interface of StudyPilot. It includes a short description of the project written by me. Now I'll press enter, and now users can access all the different features of the project through the menu system. First, I'll demonstrate the AI assistance features. Here, users can ask questions on different topics. For example, I'll ask a question related to Python. What is the difference between lists and tuples? Now we'll wait for the response. As you can see, the response is generated successfully using the AI API. The generated response is also stored locally in the history file. You can check the remaining AI assistance features yourself, because most of them work similarly, and due to time limitations, I can't demonstrate every single feature in detail. Now, let's move to the revision tools section. One of the features here, for example, if users want to view their previous AI responses, they can also check the history section. Users can specify a filter type, or simply press enter to skip it. And yeah, now we have the stored history of previous responses generated by the project. The flashcard section works somewhat similarly, so I won't demonstrate it separately here. You can check those features yourself as well. Now let's move to the study session system. This feature allows users to track their study sessions with timestamps and durations. First, I'll start a study session. For example, let's say I'm studying Python. Now the session has started successfully. I'll wait a few seconds, and now, let's end the session. As you can see, the project automatically stored the session details along with the study duration. Now let's move to the statistics section. Using the stored session data, the project can calculate different study statistics. And yeah, that was StudyPilot. Thank you for watching.